Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah, specializing in Porsche. We got a 911 SC here. We're doing the actual drive shaft. I just want to show what I found. Took it for a road test before, and I heard something from the back of the actual car, actually like a clunk noise, like a small clunk noise. And it's more. You can actually hear it more when you go up a hill. A slight load. Took me a long time to get it, but I found it. So we just start stripping the whole drive shaft out. So the outer part of the drive shaft, see here, the casing is all broken. So the casing is broken right here, causing all the noise. So all the little ball were all getting stuck and stiff on the wrong place because they're not sitting on the case properly inside here. So everything was just knocking all the time, so causing the actually knocking noise from here. So we got a new one, but the actual bolt's wrong, the hole's wrong, and this side here is wrong as well. So we're gonna send it back to get the right one. But while we're waiting here to actually do the actual to get the right drive shaft, we're gonna drain the oil because this customer complaining. There's a complaint that actually saying to me that the actual smoke in the morning. So we're gonna put a valve here, a little valve here that I bought from the internet. What they do, they stop the oil from going back into the engine, so it doesn't blow smoke in the morning. There's a problem with the actual 911. All the old 911s, they blow a lot of smoke until they warm up and then they go away. So I'll show you what I've got. So it's basically a little valve like that. So we're going to put it on one side, go to the tank. It's pretty much going to split the hose in the middle and put this little valve inside here on the hose. And after that, we're going to start it up and retune it again. So we're going to drain the oil first, so we're going to do that, and then hopefully we can get a answer back from the manufacturer for the drive shaft. Alright, might as well go underneath the car and have a look. Tiny bit of oil leak there, but it's not much. Still nice and clean down here. But this is the actual drive shaft I had to take it out, so I had to remove the disc, take the brake caliper off, and then remove the whole part on top and the heat shield, the backing plate, and we had to knock the actual part of the drive shaft off because it was seized in there. So it took a long time to do that, but we finally got it out. And then yeah, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.